when somebody loved me. Everything was beautiful. Every hour spent together lives within my heart. And when she was sad, I was there to dry her tears. And when she was happy, so was I. When she loved me.
What are you doing? No lights? Are you messing with my duvet cover? Sir? Excuse me, can I help you with something? What are you doing? That's new.
Anda yakin mau punya anjing husky? Siapkan mental Anda untuk
Mochi. Mochi. Mochi mau ikut?
I bought my puppy a pumpkin, but I did not expect this to happen.
You're recording this. He's figured out that it's food.
Buddy.
Wait a second, I need to eat this.
Appa? Appa, come on. You can come out. Come on out. Come here. Come here, buddy. Are you stuck? There you go. Good boy. Yeah, let's go.
Come
here, buddy.
Eating mine.
You want a treat? Come here. Come here. Good boy. Have to bribe them to get out of the pumpkin.
Leave it. Leave it.
I need your love, I need your time. When everything's wrong, you make it right. I feel so high.
This is how petty she is right now. I know she's awake. I know she's awake, but she's gonna pretend so hard right now because she does not want me to wake her up. But if I mention her kennel, she is awake. It's okay. You could sleep in here. But she's a faker. She's such a little faker, and that's how she gets away with it every single night.
What's the softest way to say you took away my friend, my buddy? What's the kindest way to say